Today, I am showing you how to make tasty delicious breakfast in only 10 minutes. Watch video till end. Let's start cooking our today's recipe. Anday eggs 2. Namak salt 1/2 teaspoon. Kali mirch black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Kutti mirch chilli flakes 1/4 teaspoon. Hara Dhania fresh coriander 1 tablespoon. Lehsan Paste garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Whisk well. Watch full video. This recipe is very quick and tasty. Try this. Doodh milk 2 tablespoon. Mix well. Bread slice 4 or as required. Cut into 4 parts. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Set aside. Take a heat-proof bowl. Grease with oil. Set beet slice in bowl. Add whisked eggs and spread evenly. Cheddar cheese 1/2 cup. Second layer of bread. Again spread cheese. Black olives as required. Tomato slices for 5. Red chili flakes. Oregano 1/2 teaspoon. Bake in microwave for 5 minutes. It looks delicious. If you like my video, please like and share my video and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. Serve this with tea or make for your guest. I hope you like my video.